everyone, I'm Barrett. Today I'm going to show you how to use a floater frame. If you've never used a floater frame before, then this is definitely a video for you because I've never used one. So we're going to learn together. This is an 18 by 24 white floater frame that I ordered on Amazon, and it has an L groove, so there's different types of edges you can get. And here is my painting that I'm going to just set inside the frame. The nice thing about a floater frame is that if you have paint or edges on your canvas that kind of go off the edge a little bit, there's a small gap between your art and the frame so you can enjoy a little bit more of that edge. So one way to help keep that edge in place or that little gap is a tip to use some business cards. So by having the business cards, I'll be able to keep this gap. This way it's centered a little bit more in the frame. So next what I'm going to try is a beach towel so that when I flip it over it has a place to keep the art centered. Alright, so next step is drilling. So I have my drill ready, and the kit came with screws. There's already some pre-made holes, so the next step is just lining it up and screwing it in. Okay, so I've got all the screws in place, and now we're going to flip it over. Come around. So I'm going to take out my business card so that we can see, hopefully everything is set in place. There you have it. So the last thing I can do if I want is I have the hook and the bumper to attach for hanging it on the wall for mounting with some wire, but I'm giving this as a gift, so I'll help them decide how they want to hang it. So I hope you enjoyed learning more about floater frames.